How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be doing something different. I am going to be unboxing this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max right now. I don't usually make this kind of videos. Usually I talk about cars, as you guys know. But today we're going to be doing something different. It's going to be a quick video. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. For those of you guys who are thinking about upgrading to this kind of phone, I know you want to watch a bunch of videos first, see what it looks like. I know I did. So this is why I'm making this video for. So it came in this box right here. This is the actual iPhone box. It's already open. Just wanted to make a quick video of it. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I ordered it on that deep dark purple color. It's got 256 gigabytes, I think. Yep. This is what the box looks like. So you have a tab right here that you peel off from here and here. I already took that off. And I'm also wearing gloves because I was working on cars. I didn't want to get the phone dirty. That's what the phone looks like. So we're going to go ahead and open it. This is what the phone looks like. It does not come with a SIM card. I think you gotta call your phone carrier or whatever to activate it. It comes with phone charger, no headphones, and it comes with this little packet with, I guess that's the manual. Comes with a bunch of stuff. Comes with, you know, the usual Apple logo sticker. This is what the phone looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. This is the power button right here. We're gonna hold the button. Really like it. Can't wait to use it. It's a little dusty right now. Definitely a big upgrade from my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I think it's a slightly bigger too. Yeah, it's definitely a nice phone. And I can't wait to use it to record more videos, fixing cars and all that stuff. But anyway, like I said, it'll be just a quick video of me unboxing it, showing you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click like and subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. This is not usually the videos that I make. Maybe I should start making videos like this, who knows. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.